Imagine a world where every student, regardless of their background, has access to affordable and engaging STEM education. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, a Singapore startup just took a giant leap toward making this a reality, and they've got a million reasons to celebrate. Stickum, an education technology company, has been crowned the winner of the prestigious 2025 Hult Prize, bagging a whopping $1 million in seed funding. But here's where it gets even more exciting. This isn't just another startup win. It's the first time a Singapore team has clinched the global title in what's often called the Nobel Prize for Students. Co-founded in 2021 by Adam Hudam, SUTD alumnus, Chong In Kai, Singapore Polytechnic graduate, and Tu Jing An, NUS student, Stickum is on a mission to democratize science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, STEAM education. Their innovative approach, affordable STEAM kits paired with an online learning platform that empowers teachers to create their own classes. This winning combination not only reduces costs, but also makes learning hands-on and accessible for students worldwide. The Hult Prize, an annual competition that challenges student entrepreneurs to tackle global issues, saw over 200,000 participants from 130 countries and nearly 2,000 universities this year. Stickum emerged victorious at the global finals held at London's Tate Modern, beating out 7 other finalists with groundbreaking ideas, from biodegradable packaging made from sugarcane waste to AI-powered speech therapy for children. And this is the part most people miss. The judging panel included heavyweights like Piers Linney, former investor on BBC's Dragon's Den, ensuring the competition's rigor and prestige. But here's the controversial bit. While nonprofits and governments struggle to address global education gaps, Stickum's win highlights the untapped potential of for-profit ventures in driving social change. Hult Prize CEO Laurie Van Dam boldly stated, "The private sector, often seen as part of the problem, has a critical opportunity to be part of the solution." Is this the future of education, or just another business in disguise? We'll let you decide. For Stickum, the journey has been nothing short of surreal. Co-founder Adam Hudam admitted, "When we first applied, I never thought we'd win. Being crowned global champion still feels like a dream." But their vision goes beyond the trophy. This win is for every student who deserves the chance to learn, build, and innovate, no matter where they come from. SUTD President Professor Phoon Kok Kwong praised Stickum for already making STEAM education more affordable for tens of thousands of students. Their Hult Prize victory, he added, is a milestone for Singapore's innovation ecosystem. But the real question is, can Stickum scale their impact globally while staying true to their mission? Only time will tell. So what do you think? Is Stickum the future of education, or just another startup with big promises? Let us know in the comments. We're all ears.